Fire up your buffers, because this countdown is all about dialing in the shine with the best car polishing compounds. We're going to separate safe, paint-friendly formulas from quick-fix options and help you pick the right polish for your finish. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car polishing compound that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. In the world of polishing, this name is synonymous with reliable defect removal that won't overwhelm your clear coat. The formula is designed to tackle light swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and other common imperfections that creep into daily driver finishes. It uses a blend of microabrasives that are engineered to work progressively. As you work the surface, the abrasive grains compound and then break down into finer particles, allowing you to move from aggressive correction to smoother finishing in a controlled fashion. This diminishing abrasive technology is paired with a user-friendly feel that makes it approachable for hobbyists and professionals alike. When used with a foam or microfiber cutting pad and a dual-action polisher, the compound has enough bite to flatten micromarring, but is forgiving enough to prevent deep scratches. If you are hand applying, you can still see meaningful improvement with more passes and a steady, even pressure. The product is water-based, which helps keep dust to a minimum and makes cleanup straightforward with just water and a microfiber towel. Most modern clear coats, and even some single-stage paints, Ultimate Compound will reduce the appearance of swirls while leaving a smoother, more uniform reflection. The finish is not unlike a light polish, but the contrast you see after a proper wipe-off and a subsequent gloss step is noticeable. You gain clarity, depth, and a more uniform color across panels. Beginners appreciate the shorter learning curve, while seasoned detailers value the predictable behavior that lets them dial in the correction without overdoing it. In practical terms, you can use this product as a standalone step on older finishes or as a prelude to glaze and wax, depending on your goal for the project. It performs best at moderate speeds and consistent motion, with a short dwell time to let the abrasives do their work before you wipe away the residue and assess the correction. Resulting surface will exhibit improved smoothness and a fresh feel that begs you to lay down sealant or wax to lock in the gloss. Compared to the Meguiar's M105, which I have included as number 1 on this list, Ultimate Compound offers quicker initial defect removal, but the final finish may... At number 4, we have the Chemical Guys C4. This correction compound lives in that sweet spot between aggressive cutting and refined finish, designed for modern clear coats that crave balance rather than brute force. The formula uses ultrafine abrasives that break down rapidly under weight from a good polishing pad, creating a predictable cut that reduces swirls, micromarring, and hazing without leaving deep scratches. Polish has a smooth, low-dusting profile, which means you can work in a garage with decent lighting and keep the bench clean rather than chasing dust clouds around. And paired with a flexible foam cutting pad and a quality dual-action polisher, C4 reveals a brighter base color and a more uniform reflection, letting the paint look more like a mirror in fewer passes. Product's handling characteristics are forgiving. It spreads evenly, cleans up easily with a damp microfiber, and can be worked at a range of speeds without experiencing grabby or inconsistent behavior. It is suitable for everyday drivers, including non-metallic and metallic paints, and offers a consistent result whether you are refreshing a weekend warrior or preparing a car for show season photo shoots. Finishing step with a finer pad tends to leave a smoother surface that responds well to wax or sealant, dialing in depth and clarity that helps the color pop. The protective agents and lubricants included keep friction down and help minimize heat buildup during longer polishing sessions, paired to the 3D Speed all-in-one polish, which I have included as number 2 on this list. C4 focuses more on correction with a tighter misalignment tolerance rather than sealing in a polish and wax barrier in one go. At number 3, we have the Meguiar's M105. This is the heavy cut workhorse in the Meguiar's lineup, built for deep scratches, heavy swirl patterns, and oxidation that won't yield to a lighter pass. The compound uses robust abrasives and a higher cut rate to physically abrade away a layer of clear coat and bring back a flatter, more even surface. It shines on stubborn defects that have resisted gentler approaches, and it works best when paired with a high-traction cutting pad and a controlled technique to avoid gouging or excessive haze. Expect noticeable dust and residue during use, so preparation and ventilation matter, and you'll want to wipe the surface frequently to monitor the degree of correction. Temperature matters too. You'll achieve better results with a slightly cooler panel and steady hand speed to keep heat from altering the surface finish. After the correction step, many detailers proceed with a refinement stage using a lighter polish, which is where M105 sometimes enters the workflow to refine the micromarring and bring up the gloss. Meguiar's M105 is known for its aggressive bite, but that bite also means you must respect the paint type and current condition to prevent removing too much material. Storage and pad choice influence longevity, so you'll likely have a dedicated set of cutting pads for this product to maintain its performance over time. Compared to the chemical Guys C4, which I have included as number 4 on this list, Moan 105 offers more aggressive correction, but can require more refinement afterwards to restore a pristine finish. At number 2, we have the 3D Speed All-in-One Polish. This product sits in the do-everything-in-one-go camp, offering cleaning, polishing, and a protective sealant in a single step that is approachable for both beginners and time-pressed professionals. Polish uses a balanced blend of abrasives for mild defect removal and a fast, user-friendly wipe-off that helps you finish with a solid gloss without waiting long for cure times. It is designed to be forgiving on soft paints while still delivering noticeable improvement on medium swirl patterns and light oxidation. The all-in-one approach is particularly attractive on daily drivers, where you want to minimize the number of passes and coats without sacrificing final appearance. It can work at medium speeds, allowing the compound to lay on significantly the surface, while a conditioner or glaze layer may be applied later for extra depth. The polish is generally low dusting, which reduces cleanup time between panels, and the residue wipes away with a damp microfiber, leaving little residue behind. On faster cyclical polisher rotations, it remains stable and predictable, helping maintain control across sections of the car. It is compatible with most modern waxes and sealants, so you can apply your preferred protection after the polish step to seal in the shine and guard against future blemishes. Compared to the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the 3D Speed All-in-One Polish emphasizes finishing speed and convenience, sometimes at the slight expense of deep correction in cases where heavy sanding was required. At number 1, we have the Meguiar's M105. Its finishing polish is the careful counterpart to the heavier cutting options, designed to refine and enhance the gloss you already created with a prior correction step. The M105 is blessed with exceptionally fine abrasives that remove micro-marring, haze, and minor swirl marks left after a more aggressive process, producing a crisp, high-gloss finish that captures light with remarkable clarity. It is ideal for post-correction refinement, smoothing out the micro-scratches that even the best cutting compounds leave behind, and preparing the surface for a protective layer of sealant or wax. The product shines on a range of paints, including clear coats and metallics, with minimal dusting and a manageable wipe-off that won't frustrate you mid-session. Pad choice is still important. Light to medium cut finishing pad tends to yield the best results, balancing removal with finish quality. Application speed is forgiving, and you can work across panels at a comfortable pace, watching the reflection sharpen as the compounds break down and micro-marring fades away. The result is a deeper, richer glow that seems to come from within the paint rather than on the surface, and it often requires just a few extra passes to reach showroom-grade luster once you have completed a preceding cut step. Compared to the chemical Guys C4, which I have included as number 4 on this list, M105 focuses more on refinement than heavy correction, and that means the overall project timeline shortens when your paint is already close to perfect.